Spotlight. Today we have a very special guest. His journey has been one that thousands dream about, but of course he is the one person who is living the fairy tale right now. Is that fair to say, Siddharth?
Kinda.
Yeah.
I didn't think that I'll, reach all the way from Delhi, South Delhi, and
Right.
come to Bombay
Yeah.
with wanting to work in the industry that I have no connection with, don't know how it works. I wasn't a trained actor.
Right.
I didn't know what a film set looks like. And today I'm here giving an interview with all these, cool kids around here. So I feel happy and pretty proud that, we've been here for 5 years and much more.
And there's many years coming up, but what I want to ask is, and we're going to get back to the Delhi days because I, of course, am also interested in those Delhi days.
Yeah.
But do you have, and I find myself asking this a lot, like it's been 5 years, do you still sort of look around occasionally at your life and just be like, this really happened, this is really happening?
I do. I have those outer body moments
Yeah,
where
yeah,
I
yeah.
start wondering that, why are people, say for example, clicking when you
Yeah.
walk the red carpet, there's so
Yeah.
much excitement and questions. When you go abroad, for example,
Yeah.
also when people who say don't even speak the language, know you by your songs. Kala Chashma became a big hit. So when I go to New Zealand, for example, there were locals who were very excited to meet. So it takes me a while. I keep pinching myself
Yeah.
to realize, is it me or somebody else? But as I said, I think it's purely because even in my head, I keep struggling with wanting to be a Delhi regular boy
Right.
and being an actor in this profession in
Yes.
Bombay.
And are you managing? Which is winning? Is it?
I don't know.
is
It
the
keeps
Bollywood
there's a
star or
tussle.
the
There's a
Delhi
big
boy?
tussle. Whenever I go home, it's definitely the Delhi boy.
Yeah.
And whenever I'm out on set, so
Yeah.
we have to
Right.
please the star or the actor
Yeah.
inside.
So
But yeah,
we're
takes a
gonna,
while.
I think, introduce you to a bit of both also today.
Yeah, I know. Today we should see both.
Yeah. So what do you guys say? Should we go back to the beginning? Should we find out about Sid's early days in Delhi? Whether yes?
Wow, okay, yeah. All of you from Mumbai? Okay, so there are kids, right? There are guys from Delhi and Jaipur. So, they would know what we were talking about. When you come, I think the best thing you could do is get out of your comfort zone in your houses.
Yeah.
When you leave your, family, your home, your comfort zone to follow your dreams.
Agree.
I think that's one of the best things.
Sid was actually pre that. Were you a shy boy? Were you a nerdy boy? Were you the guy whom the girls would chase regardless? Were you, like what was it? It was.
I was definitely not so outgoing. I was more introvert and more by myself. I wasn't the first one to decide. I didn't even do drama in school. No theater. Like I was playing basketball. I was playing tennis. So sports was the only place where I would say come in the limelight and not in performance or drama. And I think but it was interesting. Like I read Nasir Saab said in one interview of his, like kids who are more quiet and by themselves and somewhat not happy with their own personality at times are ones who go for a profession like say acting in movies or television, because we can live vicariously. So I can play other people. I can be who I want to be.
Agreed, but I'm also going to say that you strike me as someone also who's very sorted, who would not actually be unhappy with his own personality.
Well,
think
when
that
you
would
were
be
growing
the last
up-
thing that I would have said about you.
No, maybe in my teens. In my teens, I used to question and what to do. I was kind of one of the lost kids. Didn't have one focus point. I wasn't say good or practicing for one particular thing. The only typical thing I would have done in Delhi would be follow my brother and do MBA and try and work in a multinational bank and stuff like that. But I'm pretty happy I didn't follow that. So I have loads of respect for all the kids who are not doing
I
that.
think that's a sentiment I
Not
get
doing the
in this
typical
room.
stuff and
Yeah.
getting out of their hometowns and
Yeah.
taking that chance and just experimenting. I think travel could be the best thing you could do, man. Just
Agreed.
get out of the house.
Did you know, and this is it's an unfair question to ask, and I suppose it's also a lookish statement to make, but did you always know you were good looking? Like, is that something that you knew?
No, I don't consider myself. I don't see the mirror and I
Oh,
hardly
come on.
stare in the mirror. And I
I'm
would not
saying you
feel.
stare, but like there's always feedback that you're getting.
In my head, no. In my head, I'm a very regular
Yeah.
Delhi boy. Seriously, generally, if you ask my friends or thing,
Yeah.
I had self-esteem issues when we were growing up.
Right, everyone does,
Very
yeah.
introvert, straightforward,
Right.
simple
I
Delhi
can
boy.
understand why I had them growing up.
Yeah.
It's hard to look at you and imagine that you went through the same, right?
No, I didn't have that moment. Only happened in Kukkar when I entered college in the bag and everybody's looking at me.
Yeah.
In student of the year, it didn't happen in real life at all. I was as like the average Joe,
Raise
regular
your hand
boy,
if you don't believe that.
being rejected and harrowed by girls. No, okay.
Anyway,
Really.
So like I said, there's exciting times, there is so much to talk about, but we've got an audience here who are also equally full of questions. So raise your hand if you have one to ask. All right, he has one to ask.
So this is Aditya. I'm from KJ Somaya College. So we saw you in Coffee with Karan this season with Jacqueline, and we saw that there was very good chemistry between both of you. So I want to ask you what's going on. Right
What's going on?
Gets right to it, doesn't he?
But he's definitely not asking if he's interested in me. He's definitely Jacqueline. So what's going on? Yeah. We should ask Jackie. Nothing. It was a show, and we as colleagues, we worked together, and you could see the chemistry. That's exactly how set was. When you work with somebody for months, we've been shooting this film for a year now. So you get to know them. I'm sure you have friends and colleagues here that you're pretty friendly with. So that is up. But I will tell Jackie that you asked. So.
But it does bring me to one thing, and we will come back to all of you in a bit, which is, I was sort of going through some stuff, reading some old interviews, and I realized, and I'm not saying there's no judgment in this. I'll take the blame also myself. Yeah. But every one of your leading ladies, there has been a rumor about.
Has there?
Yeah. Pariniti, Shraddha, Katrina.
Very good.
Save it.
See, because I think I've mostly done love stories.
Yes.
The only one that you left out was Akshay Kumar because there were no rumors there.
But there was Jacqueline there as well.
There was Jacqueline, but she was very far off. We hardly had any scenes.
And I actually was interviewing them. I have to maintain there was very good chemistry between you and Akshay as well.
Oh yeah, exactly. So see, it's all my co-stars, male or female. So I think maybe I'm just that kind of person who gets along with all these people that he works with.
Absolutely, and I think that's a wonderful thing. But here is what I also discovered. I discovered that you have admitted in an interview that occasionally, even when a rumor has been true, that you have denied it. Now, I'm not asking you which ones. You've said this.
I think a man who doesn't contradict himself is a man who doesn't evolve. So I would contradict that statement right now and say that I've evolved. A growing man has to contradict himself over the years.
I have to say.
I won't be the same guy who I was in my teens.
All right, fair enough. We're not going to crack him, but the interview is young. Who's next?
Hello Siddharth, my name is Urvashi. I am from KJ Somaya. I have to tell you this, that I absolutely loved your character Nikhil in Hansi To Fasi.
Oh, really?
And I've come because I just loved your character there. I want to know which is your favorite character.
Which is my favorite character?
From all the characters you've played.
Nikhil was the first solo film that I did in Hansi To Fasi, and all the credit goes to Vinil first, the director. He's extremely talented. And he worked really hard on all of us. Nikhil definitely was the most exciting part for me because it was my first time doing a solo role. But in recent time, I think the one which is closest to me, I would say, and I'm a little biased to it, is in Kapoor and Sons. Because that family outdoor with, there was Fawad also. She's only seen Alia, and with Alia, with Fawad, with all of them, that I have the same family. I have elder brother, and my dadi used to live with me instead of my dadu. So I think Kapoor and Sons would be my favorite.